Hello friends. Nowadays we see everywhere like PowerShell is in demand and everybody is talking about PowerShell. Wherever automation is discussed, PowerShell is a word that comes most of the times. Many times it may come to our mind like what exactly PowerShell is and is it really worth learning this skill? I will try to answer all such things in this video. So before we discuss whether it is worth or not to learn PowerShell, first let me try to know what exactly PowerShell is. PowerShell is a cross-platform task automation and configuration management framework. Means it can be used for automation and configuration management almost everywhere, whether it is Unix, Linux, Macintosh, public cloud, or any other platform. Initially, it was invented by Microsoft, and later in 2016, it was open sourced, means anyone can get its code and customize it as per their requirement. And that is one of the major reason for its popularity. We will discuss about its history in coming videos of this series. We will be discussing about its background, features, capabilities, and many more things in coming videos of this series. But before we discuss all those things, let me try to know if it is really worth learning this skill. And it's quite natural that sometimes it may come to our mind that will it really benefit me if I spent hours and days learning this scripting language? Will it really help me to grow in my career? Does learning this skill has any future? Or can I use this skill with other platforms which are in demand today? And many more such doubtful questions may arise in our mind when we are in starting phase of learning this powerful skill. And trust me, answer of all such doubtful questions is a big yes. It is really worth learning this amazing skill. I will tell you why in coming slides of this video. As per one of a leading job search portal and survey agency, PowerShell is one of the most demanded skill nowadays. The reason for this demand you will come to know in few more minutes. It is not necessary that you need to write a script always to get things done faster and automatically. There are many instances and cases where you don't even need to write a script. Just running a single line command will fetch you the results that you are looking for. And PowerShell is one of the best option here because it is not just a scripting language but it is also a command line shell. Means we can write and run scripts and individual commands as well. PowerShell has now become the present and future of Microsoft platform and it is not going away anytime in near future. It is so deeply rooted now that we cannot even think about Microsoft platform without PowerShell. It applies to all Microsoft platform products whether it is Office 365, Exchange, SharePoint, any client or server operating system. Whatever the product Microsoft has, you will find PowerShell over there. In one line, PowerShell is not going away. It is applicable to all the roles, whether you are a system admin, system engineer, desktop engineer, database admin, network admin, cloud engineer, a system user, or whatever you are. It doesn't matter anything. If you are managing IT resources in any way, PowerShell is for you. My dear friends, whether you believe it or not, but fact is, using the command line can make your life easier by reducing time and efforts that is required to do a work or IT operation. Also, by using automation, we can reduce the chances of human errors, which are very common while doing bulk operations manually. Let me take one quick example. Suppose we need to update an Active Directory attribute for 10,000 users. Performing the task manually would likely take hours or even days to complete, and also it will increase the chances of human errors like typo mistakes or something else. But using PowerShell, you can complete the task using few lines of code in just minutes and without the risk of human error. We can use PowerShell to manage almost all leading platforms like Microsoft products, non Microsoft platforms like Citrix, VMware, all leading public clouds like Azure, AWS, Google, and many more platforms. Here we have two options. Either we learn each platform's command center individually, or we can learn a common tool as PowerShell and apply it to all these platforms because they all support management with PowerShell. They all have adopted PowerShell because it is open source now. So it's a kind of skill that we can learn once and apply it to almost all leading platforms. Oops. Are you still confused whether you should learn PowerShell or not? Then finally, I will say one thing only. If you don't learn it, someone else will. The moment you are thinking about, someone might be learning it already. Opportunities never wait for anyone. And if you are decided that you will do it, you will learn this powerful skill, then it's time for a small commitment. Commitment from my side is that I will be with you, providing you all the resources to master this skill. Commitment that you need to make is you will be following all the resources sincerely to learn this skill. Let's accept the challenge of PowerShell Zero to Hero in just 1 month. Happy learning. See you in coming videos. Thank you.